How you feeling?
Oh,
What do you feel?
No. I'm driving again for work all the time, so it's starting to again, feel it in my neck. But
I know you're a difficult one to adjust, but I get you.
But I'm appreciative that you don't stop. You go till you get those cracks out. So that's why I'm back once every month.
This is what, third? Or
Third.
Third?
Mhm.
Okay.
But I don't have any issues, so I'm gonna keep coming here. Even if I don't need it, because I know at some point.
You don't want to have it.
No, I don't want to have it. So it's preventative. It's great. It works for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Go face down for me. Let's check that leg length. Honestly, not too bad. Not bad at all.
One's not shorter anymore.
But one is shorter, a little bit.
They're close. It's not, for me to be looking how I am, that's a good thing. When it's really going to be causing an effect is when you're like a half inch longer or shorter.
A half inch.
No, not today, not today.
Okay.
I'm saying in general, that's when
Oh.
I think the first time you had it done, you were like an inch.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna be like walking all the time.
start up top here. Oof, a little bit tight. Hold on. Get that upper thoracic. Let's hit the middle thoracic here. Good. And with the lower thoracic, take a deep breath in and out. Good. Okay, actually moving pretty good today. One more. No, just that left side.
Yeah.
Let's break them traps. Get rid of these trigger points you have and knots.
What? What are you guys talking about over there?
We wait for Bollywood.
No, this is the part that really hurts the most, but it also helps the most.
Go face down again for me. Okay, pretty good movement with the vertebra on the low back. Gonna get some drops in. Gonna just moving a little bit smoother. Flip onto your back one.
You look so nervous.
I'm not nervous. I'm just. This is what the whole thing I was worried about.
She looked like she might back out at the last minute.
Oh, no, she's very nice.
I should have let her go first. Yes. This time, yeah.
What did you feel?
No, this time I felt the pull.
Good.
So yeah. So that was it, right?
Well, let's sit you up. Use that massage gun, and then we're gonna do that wide strap one more time. Actually, I'm gonna ask one of you two. Hold him down.
I can
No,
my legs this way.
no.
No?
I'll have him.
Okay.
You rest your legs.
The Atlanta one makes me do it that.
You know, this is your first time getting it done like this. There we go. And rest. Thank you. How'd that second one feel?
Good? No, it's good.
Heck,
No, this always feels great.
going up. Let's massage you and get that cervical adjustment done.
So your sites in Atlanta and South Carolina, they're all the same company?
Mm-hmm.
So you own those sites too, or they're just franchised?
Nope, I don't know.
Okay.
I personally go to South Carolina,
I know.
but I'm going to get my license for the Georgia one. But as of right now, I've got a doc that I've trained.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, right now I'm just waiting on that.
What kind of certification do you need in the states, different states?
Every state needs a state license. So your national boards cover everything, but then each individual state, like Florida, I've got a
So wait, you gotta get board
license.
certified also?
Yep. So
That's a lot. Okay.
South Carolina and Florida are the two that I'm licensed right now. Georgia, I'm probably gonna do Georgia. I'll probably do Nevada. I'm not sure what else after.
Don't travel too much. Just try and stay here. Don't go to Orlando if you need to.
We'll get you a lot of clients in Orlando.
Babe, look at us here tonight.
Okay. I guess I didn't need it that much. He's saying Nevada, but he wants to go to Vegas only, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
It's a business trip every time he has to
Yep.
fly there.
Yep. Yeah, my sister does conventions in Vegas with her YouTube channel. She's got a gambling channel.
Oh,
So,
wow.
like, she's got one coming up at the Venetian April, like 20, 21, 22, or somewhere around then. So, eventually when she does those, I'll hop out there and I'll do a weekend of just running a business center room out of
Yeah.
one of the hotels out there and doing that too. How do you feel?
Great.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome.
All right.
Definitely.